The secret of automotive, by the way, is that the OEM doesn't make the car, the suppliers make the car, the OEM just assembles it. But I very quickly realized that we were sourcing $30 billion of car parts using spreadsheets and emails. And that just drove me nuts, because upstream we had the PLM, which is the engineering team system of record, where all the CAD was stored. And downstream we had the ERP, which is the finance team system of record for transactions. And in between, we had really two bad choices. One was stick with Excel and email, which is the devil we know, or go with a legacy S2P platform and try to fit a square peg into a round hole. There's a lot that goes into making a car, and there's a lot of different stakeholders involved. Everything from the design team, who are physically sculpting the structure out of clay, to the engineering team taking the design and making a manufacturable product, supply chain going out and building the supply base. Financial incentives directly affect outcome. Software, in my view, and our view as a company, should be a tool of the mind to help people do more and live better, not to add additional frustration to their already complicated lives. And so the question is, what industries does this apply to? Is this just an automotive thing? Then when you look at the broader spend landscape, direct is only one part of the full end-to-end direct materials, indirect, ranging from strategic, which is the big dollar stuff, tactical, which is 3 bids and a buy, and the tail. And in fact, you even see it when you look on LinkedIn. You have buyers, you have direct material managers, you have GSMs, GCMs, global category managers, supply chain managers. You have a whole host of different titles that kind of relate and may or may not be the same thing, so it's very homebrewed. But most importantly, you have a broken incentive structure. And so there isn't really a performance incentive for people to do exceptional work beyond the sort of softer managerial questions.